describe Mumbai nightlife in one word.
Sexy.
I think it's wild.
Crazy.
I would say it's spicy.
It's chill.
Crazy. Drunk, slosh.
Very fun.
Fantastic.
Very wild.
24/7.
Mesmerizing and safe for me. Addictive.
Amazing. It's crazy.
Crazy. Hard.
Bonkers. Absolutely insane.
Amazing.
Sensational.
Love, sex or dhoka darling.
What's an unspoken rule about partying here in Mumbai?
Keep an eye on your drink and keep an eye on your girlfriend.
Don't trust any stranger.
I think the rule is that you have to be completely inclusive of whatever experience. Like sometimes it's some Greek tradition that we're following, or sometimes there's this crazy Georgian thing that sometimes it's come from somewhere. So you have to be very inclusive and you have to take everything by the wind of your hair.
You can't go back sober. Mind your own business.
People think of themselves as too chill. They'll just come grab your waist and everything. So you should have boundaries, I guess. All the women at least.
Don't leave your house before 12 a.m.
Bring your weight, bro.
Well, you just pretend to be drunk.
Don't tell people what you're on.
Tequila.
So what's your opinion on the whole controversy that's going on with Samay Raina and Ranveer Alabadia? No comments about that.
I love Samay. He's good.
It's not called, I really support Samay and Ranveer.
I feel like there's bigger things that need attention.
I don't know who they are.
I'm with them for sure. It sucks for them.
It was an extremely silly thing that happened, but it shouldn't have gotten to the law enforcement and because there are bigger problems for them to look at. This is extremely silly and we should be focusing on other things.
I guess all the episodes were fine until this one because like more influential people were here in this show. So like people trying to ruin their image.
I completely support Samay because the point is there have been a lot of other things. It's only been entertaining people. So I've seen the show a lot of times before, and when it was much more, I don't want to use the word vulgar, but there were things much beyond what has already happened, and everyone was enjoying it. The moment Ranveer walks into the show, why does it suddenly get so different? I don't understand.
They are just over-exaggerating an issue. Maybe there's some politics going on behind about some other issue. They are trying to hide it. But this is just bullshit. One joke, literally. लोग बोल देते हैं कभी-कभी कुछ भी. You don't need to over-exaggerate something.
You know what? Freedom of speech is non-existent in this country. It's a fake fucking democracy. You know, you gotta do better than that.
There are a lot of better issues to be focused on, and there are a lot of comedians who have spoken about such things. So it's just unfair, I think.
कुछ भी यार इससे बहुत बड़े-बड़े issues चल रहे हैं. But वो छोटा सा एक joke उसने बोल दिया, आप उसको इतना बड़ा बना दिया आपने, तो कोई point नहीं है. लोगों को कुछ भी वो करना है तो उसको exaggerate करके करते हैं.
What about the Bombay roads? They are all fucked up. Do something about that rather than doing this.
हर सड़क खुदी हुई है. मतलब हम अंधेरी से बैंड्रा आए हैं. हर सड़क खुदी हुई है वहाँ पे.
We love Samay Raina.
What do you think about all the wild experiences that Icarus is doing for the people out here in Mumbai?
It's wild.
It's fun. It's very good. I think it's amazing.
I think it's great. I think they're really dynamic in what they do, and I feel like every event is like leveled up from the previous one.
Fucking love them.
They never disappoint, whether it's like a Thursday or Friday or a Saturday. Always wide, always packed, and that's why we love Icarus.
I think they're curating some really nice experiences for people out here, you know what I'm saying?
It's very surprising because every time that you go out, there might be some news story that might unfold that night in that place.
It's been a baller event, always packed.
Actually, it's my first night in Mumbai, so I can tell you so much, but it's nice.
It's great.
It's actually a lot nicer than some nightclubs back in Sydney.
Ambience is really nice and classy.
It's amazing. It's a vibe.
I think it's amazing. The crowd is really good here. The people are really good here. You can talk to people, and it's anti-Valentine. You can definitely find the one here, maybe. It not maybe a hookup.
It's always crazy, bro. Every time it's always good. Absolutely insane. I think Icarus do it really well. They've got a really good following of people in Mumbai. I think they're probably one of the best event organizers out there.
I feel it's a very nice vibe that Icarus is handling and giving it out to people. Because people every week there's a different thing what people are experiencing, and I think it's gonna take the nightlife way ahead.
It's an experience. Either you run away or stay.